Imagine losing everything you worked 40 years to build, not because of bad choices, but because the system cracked underneath you. That's almost what happened to Barbara, a retired school principal from Scottsdale, Arizona. She had saved $683,000 in her retirement accounts. Her plan was simple: travel a bit, spoil the grandkids, and finally relax. But then 2023 happened. Banks failed, inflation soared, and now in 2025, things still don't feel stable. But Barbara, she's sleeping easy. Because last year, she made one decision that changed everything. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what that was, and how you can use gold to build a safer, stronger retirement portfolio too. Right now, the headlines are louder than ever. Inflation's still hovering at stubbornly high levels. President Trump just called for a full audit of the Federal Reserve. Global tensions are rattling the dollar's dominance, and big banks are quietly adjusting their portfolios, buying more gold than they have in decades. So why are everyday Americans still trusting their entire nest egg to a system this shaky? Look, Barbara didn't wait for another crash. She took action after a friend mentioned something called a Gold IRA. At first, she was skeptical. Is this legit? Is it safe? Am I too late? All fair questions. But after a simple, no-pressure educational call, she decided to roll over $213,000 from her traditional IRA into a Gold IRA. No, she didn't cash out. No penalties, no taxes, just protection. And when the markets wobbled again this January, her gold holdings didn't flinch. While others watched their 401ks shrink, Barbara's portfolio held strong, and her peace of mind was priceless. So let's talk about why this works. Gold has outlived every currency in human history. It doesn't rust. It doesn't go to zero. It doesn't need bailouts. In times of uncertainty, it shines, and that's not just a metaphor. Over the past 50 years, gold has consistently risen during inflation spikes, recessions, and political turmoil. But the key isn't just buying gold, it's owning it the right way. That's where a Gold IRA comes in. With a Gold IRA, you can move part of your existing IRA or 401k into physical gold, stored in a secure IRS-approved vault, and still protected by all the same tax advantages as your retirement account. You stay in control, you choose how much, you choose when, and you can rest knowing that a portion of your savings is no longer tied to Wall Street's wild swings. But this story didn't start with gold. It started with a guide. Barbara first took action by downloading a free Gold IRA guide and scheduling a quick, no-obligation call. That guide, it's available for you right now. If you're an American retiree with $100K or more in a 401k or IRA, this might be the smartest move you make all year. There's no sales pressure, no gimmicky silver coins, just one-on-one education based on your situation from people who genuinely care about helping you protect what you've built. You've worked hard your whole life to save this money. Now it's time to protect it, for yourself and for the next generation. So take the first step like Barbara did. Grab your free Gold IRA guide and schedule that no-pressure call. Even if you decide not to move forward, you'll walk away smarter and more prepared for what's ahead. Because your retirement deserves more than hope. It deserves a foundation as solid as gold.